VISI Blank is a great tool in creating quotes. It allows you to quickly generate an accurate flat blank and to do a quick analysis of your part data to find out any hotspots or problem areas. When creating the flat blank, you may notice that an edge or a face is not staying aligned to the final part, despite knowing that we will be holding that area. This happens because we have not defined our blank holding or pressure pad area. For this, all we need to do is define the contact face and how much pressure or tonnage will be being used. Then, when we generate our flat blank, we won't get any movement in this area as long as we use enough force. Another tool you want to use is the color chart. This allows you to check the percent thinning of your part. This will point out the problem areas on your part using a color chart, and you may notice that most of the part is blue. This happens when the color chart range is skewed to one side, either to show thickening or thinning. What we want to do is reset this range to show the allowable range for the maximum minimum that we want allowed. By doing this, we'll see the part shows as green in all the good areas, and only the hot spots show up as red or blue. Setting this range and centering our part on the screen is important for when we want to generate a report. This will take a screenshot and export those blank results to a customizable Excel or HTML report that you can then share with others. The color chart shows the thinning of the material, but does not take into account the stress. This is why it is always a good idea to look at the safety zone check to see if any areas are showing a risk of cracking. These areas will show up as yellow or red on the part. These colors are calculated based off the forming limit diagram from the material and the major and minor stresses. Finally, VISI Blank also gives us the option to view the springback prediction for this part. This will generate a nominal and a springback mesh so we can visually see the areas that will spring back and will need to be compensated.